Hey guys, it's Shannon the Garden Girl from Georgina Garden Center, and I am just reminding you that now is the time to start your seeds indoors. If you haven't started already, start now. There are some seeds that you can directly sow outside. Otherwise, you start them inside. We have a good selection of flowers. We have herb seeds, and we have on the other side here, these are vegetable seeds, lots of different vegetable seeds. And then we have over here OSC seeds, same thing, herbs, vegetables. And then over here we have some more vegetables and flowers, annuals, perennials, everything like that. So pick them out now. Even if they are going to be seeds you start outdoors when the weather is nice, come and pick up your seeds now, because now is the best selection. And we don't get more in again, so kind of first come, first serve. All of the seeds are non-GMO, and then you'll see these guys here are organic. Those guys are heirloom. It says heirloom on there. So there's lots of different types to choose from. And then Renee's here. These guys have lots of different types of varieties that you don't always find everywhere else. And then there's some bonus packs. The bonus packs have multiple packs of seeds within to set up either a nice garden or crop covers, or that's the Three Sister packs of seeds, native seeds. But really good selection. And like I said, if you haven't started your seeds yet, start now. Things you want to start inside: tomatoes, peppers. You can do eggplant inside. You can start your beans. I do my beans outside. I do my lettuce outside. Anything root, so carrots, beets, radishes, potatoes, anything like that, you start them outside. But onions you can start inside. Anything that takes a little bit longer, especially in our short growing season, those are the ones you want to start inside. Have a great day, guys.